Today, I'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to claim an airdrop. Let's get started. First, we visit the official website where the airdrop is taking place. Here, you'll find all the details about the token, including its name, description, and key information. This helps you decide whether to participate. Next, we check the task list. To receive the airdrop, you need to complete several simple tasks, such as following social media accounts or verifying your identity. Once completed, these tasks will appear under the Completed tab, so you can track your progress. The website also features additional sections, including project information, airdrop details, and social media updates like Twitter news. These are useful for staying informed about any important changes. Now, let's proceed with wallet verification. We click the verification button and connect our crypto wallet. After a successful connection, a pop-up window confirms that our address is eligible for the airdrop, and we can start completing tasks.
A few moments later.
Now that all tasks are finished, let's check the Completed tab. Everything is marked as done. Next, we click the Claim button and reconnect our wallet. After a quick verification, a confirmation message appears. You have successfully completed all tasks, and the tokens will be sent to your address soon.
A few moments later.
After some time, we check our wallet, and the tokens have successfully arrived. We can now see the amount received in our balance, confirming that the process was successful. And that's it. Now you know how to claim an airdrop. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and ask any questions you may have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.